Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. Guys, I know a lot of YouTubers have been talking about this as of late. Will XRP go to 589 after the launch of xRapid and Bearable Guy 123's theory tested? Guys, I just want to say thanks so much, AMB Crypto, for actually mentioning my name in your article. As of today, you guys are the only article that has referenced my price prediction video based on Ripple taking 10% of Swift's business. I've seen a lot of articles out there and even other YouTubers talking about these articles, and these articles were based on my video, not the other way around. That's fine. I mean, they want to do what they want to do. I'm not going to get angry about it, but guys, I just want to say AMB Crypto, straight up thanks for giving credit where credit is due. You are actually one of my favorite resources for cryptocurrency news, and this just solidifies that you guys are one of the more legitimate sources to find news on the internet. But anyways, guys, I digress. Today's video is really about the fact that Bitcoin is oversold. I went to CCN, which is cryptocurrency news, and even just scrolling through some of these articles, just reading the headlines, I'm seeing a lot of articles. Bitcoin severely oversold, various technical factors suggest. Then down here, Bitcoin intraday analysis, BTC USD upside held near 6,500. A lot of these coins are talking about Bitcoin in the price. And down here is the crypto market bottoming out. Bitcoin shows stability at 6,500. So guys, there's a lot of eyes right now on Bitcoin, and we're looking at Bitcoin to give us an indication of what's going to happen in the broader market. Another one down here, Bitcoin price plummets to mid 6,000 as crypto market crashes, factors and trends. So, we're seeing a lot of this. And guys, as you know, all other currencies in the crypto space follow Bitcoin right now as the indicator. And so this is the Bitcoin chart on the daily. And so, we've seen a lot of this. After the crash down earlier this year, we saw a lot of vacillating ups and downs, and we're slowly kind of, evening out. The buyers and sellers are evening out. And, we're finding a great level of support here where buyers and sellers are finding that 6,500, 6,000, 6,500 price for a Bitcoin is actually quite, in their minds, I guess, a reasonable price to be purchasing Bitcoin today in mid to late 2018. And that wasn't the case before, even a year ago, you could buy Bitcoin in the low thousands or even in the high hundreds, I believe. But guys, what we're really trying to figure out is when is the pendulum going to swing to the upside, right? So we've seen this market crash, right? And we've seen this kind of a trend. And how long is it going to take? Basically, what my question is how long is it going to take for that trend to just, stop its downward momentum and kind of move up to the upswing? So when is that upswing going to happen? And guys, I've done a video about this. So if you haven't seen this video, when is the next cryptocurrency bull run? It was from July 19th, 2018, and I predicted that we're going to see all-time highs, so Bitcoin will retrace all-time highs by September 30th, 2019. Now that's a very, very specific day. I mean, if I'm within that ballpark, I would be greatly delighted. But guys, this is information we have to know if we want to trade on spec. So again, here's the XRP chart, and we're seeing the same kinds of trends for Bitcoin, XRP, and all the other altcoins that you guys potentially trade. So this is more of a video for spec traders who want to get into the market and aren't sure. I've seen a lot of comments, people talking about, XRP, is it too late? Did I miss the boat? Guys, I think now is the best time to get into your cryptos, whether it's XRP or any other crypto. XRP in particular, if you haven't bought XRP yet, there's some big things happening behind the scenes. The real world utility will make this coin go up in value without a spec market. So that's one side of the coin. But guys, even cryptos in general, a lot of people have wondered, oh, well, Bitcoin's dead, right? And Bitcoin isn't dead. Wall Street is starting to eye crypto, Bitcoin in particular. Crypto is not dead. Now's the time to get in if you want to make money before the next bull run. Or is it the time to get in? So that's my question, kind of. What is this bowl that we see? When do we start seeing the pendulum swing? And so guys, this is a Bitcoin chart on the daily, but this Bitcoin chart takes us all the way back to a former bull run back in November 2013, December 2013, where we saw, so this was back in, okay, so I don't know how much of this you guys can see, but we saw a bull run here in the fall of 2013. Bitcoin went all the way up to $1,200 per coin roughly, and then it crashed, similar to what we were seeing right now. So this is right now, Bitcoin, okay? And we saw that crash, and then it came down. But guys, if you look at this chart here, and I've taken historical averages in this video, I'm gonna link my video in the description of when is the next cryptocurrency bull run. But guys, if you look at this chart here, it took several days for Bitcoin well, a lot of days. This was the longest draw out of a correction that Bitcoin has seen. And it started when Bitcoin was at all-time highs, November 2013. And guys, it didn't retrace until roughly January 2017, where we finally saw Bitcoin price retrace of about February of about 1,200. Okay, and then when it retraced, it dipped again, and then it came back up here. So guys, December 2013 all the way to January 2017, that's a long time. I mean, we're hoping there'll be another bull run sooner rather than later, based on what Wall Street is saying, you know, regulating cryptocurrencies, and we might see one sooner. But even just based on these Bitcoin averages, guys, this pendulum shift took several years, right? From 2013 to 2017, so that's a good 4 years, 3.5 years roughly. And so guys, if you are spec trading low-cost coins that have high potential, you may be waiting a while to make some money, but I think it's okay because I think that this will actually happen sooner than this. We just need that bowl shape to kind of come down, correct, and go up. And so whether it takes a few years or whether it kind of corrects next month and then goes up, I mean, anything can happen. This article here came up in Cointelegraph as well. The Tim Draper predicts a total crypto market cap of 80 trillion in the next 15 years. So he's looking way down the road, but as we know, right now the market cap is under 300 billion. He's talking 80 trillion. So that's 396 times today's current market cap. The Digital Asset Investor did a video on this. It was really good. I suggest you guys look it up. He talks about XRP specifically and the price of XRP if this market cap hits 80 trillion. It's a real ballpark figure, as he states in his video, but he gives some good insight on the crypto market. So guys, this is coming down the pipe. We know this. Crypto is the future. Blockchain technology is what businesses are eyeing and governments. I hope my prediction of September 30th, 2019 is a bit long, and I hope that this actually does happen sooner. There are so many things coming down the pipe right now. All I can tell you is that for me, I think the next few months are going to be really, really exciting for crypto traders and the cryptocurrency space in general. Anyways, what do you guys think? Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.